Ni hao, hello friends from Xinhua, warm regards from Madrid. Thank you all for your excellent work this year in promoting the Olympic values in Beijing 2022 in China, and around the world, if I may say, as the IOC recognized international news agency that you are. Acknowledging the difficulties experienced this year, the progress being made by Beijing 2022 has been truly remarkable. The preparations for the Games are going extremely well despite all the challenges in the test event programs due to COVID-19 related restrictions. Well, these Games will go from inspiring a whole generation of winter sport enthusiasts to build an environmentally friendly and sustainable Games. With this, China is delivering on its big promise, despite challenges and obstacles. The past few months have witnessed a number of important milestones, such as the launch of the global competition for the medal, torch and apparel designs, very successful indeed, and the IOC broadcasters meeting, world press briefing and other important conferences were held via video link. About 1 million people have shown their willingness and applied to be volunteers for Beijing 2022 only 1 year after the global recruitment effort began. With competition venues set to be completed by the end of this year, and the plans for the 1 year to go ceremonies way underway, activities are developing, excitement is really beginning to build up. Using 100% clean energy for the Games venues, for example the natural carbon dioxide as refrigerant for the ice-making situations, first time ever in the Olympic Games, are some of the steps to make these Games extremely green, the greenest. Well, taking the Winter Games as a chance to boost tourism and create more jobs for people in the region, and promoting Olympic education nationwide with more schools launching winter programs than ever before. There will be challenges ahead, we are sure, we know that. The COVID-19 countermeasure working group that is already very much in place. And we are fully prepared for all eventualities. To achieve these very successful Winter Games, experience and expertise of the local organizing committee, the support of the Chinese and the Beijing governments, and the close collaboration with the Olympic and Paralympic movements and the rest of the stakeholders will ensure that we are stronger together. This will be vital for delivering outstanding Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games in Beijing 2022. Thank you very much, Xie, and I wish you a very, very happy 2021.